Yan guys. So papunta na kami sa Hollywood Street sign, Hollywood sign. But kailangan nyo maglakad for 20 minutes. So yun. At least it's worth it pagdating doon. Okay? Pakita ko later. Yan. So isang challenge yung pagpunta sa Hollywood sign. Ayan. So mag-ready lang kayo na maglakad at hingalin. Okay, so guys, sobrang major challenge pala yung pagpunta dito. Kailangan mag-drive kayo ulit. Iba pala yung dinaanan namin, buti nagtanong kami. At least ayun na. Medyo malayo pa rin siya kasi may iba pa talagang daanan na sa taas. Okay.
You want me to take a picture of you guys? Okay, both of you, right there.
Yan, so nag-video na kami. So ayan yung Hollywood sign. Yun lang yun, sign lang. Yun na yun, nag-video tsaka picture na kami. And so we're okay na.
Yeah, go for the back of the knee.
Oh, don't.
Sign. Turn left.
Feels like it.
I think so. They're making TikToks.
So guys, welcome to Universal Studios City Walk. Guys, so kung gusto nyo mag-shopping or kumain or pumunta sa Universal Studios Hollywood and manood ng sine, ayan, punta na kayo dito. City Walk. This is the my bedroom with a Hollywood sign and lot of lights. Okay. And meron din couch.
Hi.
And a coffee.
You gonna let it change up here first or what?
And a flat screen TV.
Weirdo.
Hey, hi guys. Okay, it's overlooking. Check natin. Overlooking the swimming pool. So, yung Hollywood sa bedroom. I mean bathroom. With the bathtub, of course. And the toiletries. Of course, the shower. So, hi guys. And guys, so mas maliit tong hotel na to sa LA kumpara do sa Las Vegas. Yeah, pero okay lang, at least lapit sa mga tourist spots. Okay?